This is an actual GMAT EA problem, so stop the video and ask yourself, what are you trying to find? K is equal to what? That's what we're trying to find. All right, this symbol is just made up math, okay? So they tell us that A to the K in these two parallel lines B means that A to the K is a divisor of B. So that means A to the K will divide into B without a remainder. Okay, so notice that this, whatever number is behind is in the numerator, and this whatever this is in front is down in the denominator. And we're asked to find 2 to the K, parallel lines, whatever, 72. So that means 72 is in the numerator and 2 to the K is in the denominator. So we're trying to figure out how many factors of 2 are in 72. And 72 is 9 times 8. 3 squared is 9. 8 is 2 cubed divided by 2 to the K. So what is K equal to? K is the exponent on the 2, so K must equal 3.